To factory reset the Sonos Era 300, the first thing you need to do is to disconnect the power at the back. So pull the plug. Then you will have to press on that Bluetooth logo and look for the light in front while you're reconnecting it. So I'm gonna hold that button. You hold it before you reconnect it. I'm gonna do that with that finger, it will be more easy. All right, and then on front, I'm still holding that Bluetooth button. You will see that white blinking light. It's not very, you hold it until you see that amber light. Once you see it, you can release, and then you wait for it to become green, just like that. When it's blinking green, it means it's ready to be reconfigured. For this, if you need help, you can see the video on the upper right corner. But for now, the speaker is reset.